Hi guys, welcome to PowerPoint Glamour. One of my subscribers wanted to know how to actually do animations in PowerPoint. In this video, let's check out how to do animations for text in your slides. So please stay tuned. So here, if you see, we have a couple of paragraphs. For example, this is your first slide and you want to present this to your audience. So this is the icon on which you click to start the slideshow. So let's click on this and see how it appears. As soon as you start the show, the entire text, the entire slide appeared on the screen. So which may or may not serve the purpose, because you might have to give some background before you want to start your slide, and presenting the entire stuff on the screen may not be a good idea. In order to animate, you have to select this text box and go to the animations tab. In the animations tab, if you see, click on this arrow, you see different types of animations. They're divided into different categories. First is the entrance, how you want the text to enter, or any object for that matter. These are the emphasis, these are the special effects, that means, and the exit effects. Okay, so we will see that in detail in a while. So first, let's select the basic animation appear for a text. So we'll select this. Okay, now if you see a number 1 here, that means there is one animation added to your text. Okay, so now let's click on animation pane. So this opens up a small pane on the right hand side, which actually gives you the list of animations that you want to add here. So this helps in seeing which animation comes first, which animation comes second and third. So you can also arrange, you can also modify it from here. So this is called as the animation pane window. We just added the appear animation. Now let's run the slideshow. Click on this. Okay, so the slide is blank. Now let's do a left mouse click. Okay, so the entire thing appears on a click. Alright, so how did that happen? So if you select this, and if you see here, this is says start on click. That means your animation will start when you click on the mouse button. Okay, alright, so this is the first type of animation. Now if I want to have the first paragraph appear first and then the second paragraph, so how do I do that? So select this text box, go to effect options again. Here if you see, you have an option called by paragraph. Okay, click on this. So if you see, now it is first and second. Okay, and if you come back and see here, there are two animations added to the pane, and the second animation is here. This is highlighted when you select this. It's on click. Now let's see how it looks. Click here, then mouse click once, this appears. So you can finish explaining this, then mouse click second it appears. So that's it about the paragraphs. So now let's look at some other type of animations. Let's insert a text box. So if you want the whole sentence to appear at a time, then what animation do you do? Select this text box, go to animations, and say appear. Okay, so the entire sentence appears. Check it out here. Okay, so on click, the whole sentence comes out. Now insert another text box. So for example, in a sentence that you have on the slide, you want one word at a time to be appear on the slide. So how do you do that? So let's select this, go to animations, and then click on appear here, then click here, show additional effect options, click here, and then you have this window. In this window you see this drop down called animate text. So this is a simple appear with the text will appear first on your screen, and then you want to change the color of the sentence to red. You need to add another animation here. Okay, go to emphasis, and you will have an option called change color, or yeah, font color. Select this one. All right, so if you see, this one is the appear. On click, the sentence will appear, and on the second one the text color is changing. So let's click here, go to effect options. You can also go from here, so it displays the color which you want here. So you want a font color red, and the theme, okay, the style. So change the font color to the color that you want it to be changed. Here we have selected red, so click OK. Now let's run the slide and see. First was the whole sentence, second was the one word, and the third was one letter at a time. And so when you click here, this sentence appears black, so you can explain, you can talk about it on the screen, and then if you want to emphasize, click on it once more, so the color gets changed. So that's how you change the color. Great. Now let me show you one last thing, how to underline a sentence. So insert another text box, and then go to add animation. Emphasis, what emphasis do you like to have, is underline. The same way you have bold flash, bold reveal, and wave. You can try all these. So now let's see how to underline it. So you add another animation, which is animation number 7, which is underline the text. So now let's run the slide and see. Again, click, so underline the sentence and underline. So for example, if you don't want the underline to happen on click, you want it to appear and then get underlined automatically along as soon as the text gets displayed. So select this animation, which is the underline animation, and remove this on click and say with previous. Okay, so these two will animate together. Okay, so let's see. See, so you didn't have to click, just one click, underline the sentence. So as if you were underlining it on the screen. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the text animation part. So I will also be making another animations video on how to animate the objects and charts and other images or pictures on your PowerPoint presentation. So keep watching PowerPoint Glamour. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.